Welcome to day 3. During the day we'll be at the resort, but at night we go to Xplor Feugo.
Back at the restaurant, Arnold.
Did you get one? I didn't get a burger.
After a much better lunch here, we're heading to the Xcaret Park, Xplor Feugo.
What happened?
Welcome and prepare to enjoy the beautiful sounds that come from deep within the Mexican forest.
After our very peaceful drive, it is now time for some relaxing zip. What's that? Look at this. Selena, how was your first experience ziplining?
I absolutely loved it. It was so much fun.
All right, let's go to the next ones.
I felt like I was flying.
You liked it?
Yes, Nan should have done it. Oh, you guys saw it.
How did you like it, Caston?
Gnarly, bro.
Then we said bye-bye.
Stairs. I wish Jay was here so I could carry him.
Where we going though?
You got it, Selena! Now on to the underground river raft. So yesterday we ended the day off with Xplor Feugo. It made us a little bit more tired than we thought. We stayed out a little bit later than we thought, and we forgot to eat dinner. So everybody was a little bit hungry, tired, and we came back here and everybody passed out. We were supposed to go do the cenotes today, but with everybody being so tired, we just went ahead and canceled that so we can actually relax on a vacation. I know, what a wild concept. We should have a good day. There's plenty to do at this resort, and I'm sure we'll have some fun. But now, breakfast. Alright, so after breakfast, I decided to explore, and now I'm on these random trails that have different workout things along the way, and there is like no one out here. Right off the path is just this river. There's all these access ports. I think some of these are rooms, but even on this side down here, you can see there's like a little alcove and there's steps down to it. This is another little spot. Once again, there's nobody out here, and it's the start of summer, so I would think there would be people here. And once again, another little walk down to the river that you are probably allowed to swim in. Yeah, because you can only get to there from swimming. But alright, this is a hidden slide, so it looks like you can't go swimming in the rivers, because this one is on and there's actually water in it. So That's pretty cool. Start right here. Looks like it just goes around the perimeter. Pretty much what I just did in reverse. And it's just shy of a mile. So we'll give it a go. And we'll do all the workout things on the side, because why not? And just for reference, that is the giant whatever it is chapel. And this is the start. Look who's finally awake.
Yes.
Below this one.
Hola. ¿Cómo está?
Surprise.
And what are you drinking?
I have nothing now.
He's drinking pool water.
Yeah, casting this water tastes like
Attractive.
Glad I filmed that. So we got another candy today. It looks like it's coconut candy. Hopefully it's better than the last one. We'll find out.
Oh, it smells like coconut.
Why do they make it? I'm beginning to think these gifts are not really gifts at all.
I like the egg roll.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo!
That's an egg tart race.
Oh, thank you. Hey, Selena.
Come back to me.
How did everybody like the restaurant?
I really enjoyed it.
It was swell.
The show was really good.
Like the fire.
I like the orange chicken. Woo! That's so cool. So cool, I'm gonna run off it faster.